Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the Google Wallet payment app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the Google Chrome browser and then search Google Wallet. Now here it will show you the Google Wallet app. So to install this app, click on install and then it will take you to the Google Play Store app, and from here you can install the Google Wallet app. So to install it, just simply tap on install and then it will start installing Google Wallet app. So now you can see it's downloading. So that's how you can install the Google Wallet payment app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.